Premium meat begins with healthy livestock, raised under strict care. Animals are transported safely to the processing facility.
All personnel must follow safety and hygiene protocols.
Strict hygiene standards are maintained from the very beginning. Precision processing ensures safety and consistency. Advanced machinery delivers clean, consistent cuts. Every product is inspected before packaging.
Automated packaging locks in freshness. From farm to factory, every step is designed to deliver safe, high-quality meat.